Hello, good morning. This is Ankita here. Your name?
Yeah, my name is Sudhir Fauzdar.
I'm Poonam Joshi.
Hi. So, तुम्हाला या स्कायफिनिया प्रोजेक्ट बद्दल कसं कळालं?
Okay, so while moving along the road from Mount BRTS road, so while searching the project, so it happened to be the first project immediately after the Dangi Chowk. So looking at the good location, the point where the project is being built is too good. So that's why the first preference came to my mind was this project.
Okay.
The most important part is this is on BRTS road. My daughter, she is in SNBP Rahatni, which is quite close from here. Apart from that, the connectivity till the city is very easy because as we can see, all the roads are quite made and those are literally moving right now. So that was the best part. Plus, additionally, this is kind of starting of Tatavade.
तुम्हाला कनेक्टिव्हिटी तर आवडलीच आहे फॉर शुअर. आणि मग तुम्हाला फ्लॅटचा अँबियन्स कसा वाटला किंवा हे वास्तू कंप्लायन्सनुसार आहे फ्लॅट, तुम्हाला कसं वाटलं त्याबद्दल?
Yeah, looking at the Vastu and overall ambience of the project, I'm very much impressed when I visited this sample flat also. So looking at overall the architect that they have decided and that the plan that they have made is impressive. So looking at ventilation, sun's direction and all those things which are required are quite impressive.
Property वास्तु compliant तर आहेच आहे. Plus the thing is that की east west facing
Yeah,
property आहे.
yes.
So it is really a good point for us because entrance east ला असणं किंवा west ला असणं was very important for us
Exactly.
considering वास्तु. Plus the kitchen as well.
Yes.
So these are the two major points I think, and both of them are quite considered well by Hari Vishwa Skyfinia. So I think that was a major point for us that it is Vastu compliant.
सो तुम्हाला आमची सेल्स टीम कशी वाटली? लाईक आर दे सपोर्टिव्ह? गुड.
Yeah, so the sales team, they actually they helped, they cooperated, everything, the process, even the professionalism they showed in giving the clarity of the project was very much impressive, as well as the process that happened for loan processing and other processes for SDR and all those amount was smooth. It was taken care by all the professional team. So we did not have that much hassle to make all those things happen. The team cooperated well and I'm very much happy with all those things.
And the most important part is transparency because from the very beginning, right from showing the sample flat and then moving on to, as my husband also said that probably the loan processing and everything, it went really smooth. I would really like to thank you Mr. Aniket and Manjushri madam. They have always been very cooperative, very supportive in any of the questions that we have been asking. Plus we have Yuvraj sir, we have other team also who are helping us from the loan side. Priyanka madam is there. So there are many people here who are actually helping out in all of the queries, all of the questions.
सो मला ओव्हरऑल प्रोजेक्ट बद्दल सांगता, लाईक कसा वाटला एक्झॅक्टली आणि कसं होतं एक्सपिरियन्स?
प्रोजेक्ट तर खूपच छान आहे. लेआउट वाईज वी वर क्वाईट इम्प्रेस्ड अँड ओपन कॉन्सेप्ट वेअर वी हॅव द प्रिव्हिलेज टू ॲड एनिथिंग अप वॉट एव्हर वी वॉन्ट.
One thing which I found is the amenities are well planned, well thought out, keeping in consideration of all age groups, all the things. So those amenities planned, mentioning especially about the car parking spaces where nowadays it's a hassle, but here all the things are taken care considering future aspects also. That's what I think was the major and good impact that made on my mind to make my decision, and I'm very happy with that decision.
Thank you so much for being transparent, being cooperative. Hari Vishwa, the entire team of Hari Vishwa, we would always refer this project for. Right now we are in phase 1. We have booked 2 flats here side by side, which is A3 2401 and 2402, which is the 24th floor. And I would say that we would really refer this project to anyone who would ask us for anything that they are searching for.
Thank you.
थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you.